Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make shaft in SolidWorks 2025 on it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now I am going to select the plane. I am going to select front plane and sketch. Now draw the line from origin. Now draw the line here, select. Now go to Smart Dimension and give this line dimension 55.8. Okay. Now draw the line here again. Select. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 8. This line dimension 8 and this line dimension 3.5. Okay. Now this line and this line dimension 12. Okay. Now draw the line here again. Select. Now this line and this line distance. Now this line and this line distance 8.5. Okay. Now this line dimension 13.5. Okay. Now draw the line here and here, here and here and here and here and here and here. Now this line dimension below, this line dimension below 12. Okay. Now this line and this line below 6. Okay. Now this line below 1.2. Now this line and this line below 5.65. Okay. Okay. Now go to this point, control this point, horizontal. Okay. Now this line and this line distance 6. Sorry. This line and this line distance 4.5. Okay. Now this line dimension 11. This line dimension 11. Okay. Now just here move. Now this line vertical and this line vertical. Okay. Now this line dimension 1.2. Okay. Now go to feature and select revolve. Now select here. Okay. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Okay. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now draw the center line here. Now go to draw the slot here. Now draw the center slot. Select. Now give the value here. Give the value here 7. Now go to this arc below 1.2. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude cut. Now go to here, select surface face plane. Now select here. Now go to extrude cut. Now here select offset. Now here select offset. Now give the value. Now from offset 10. Now here select blind. Now direction change. Now here below the 5. Okay, 5. Now go to isometric view. Okay. Now go to backside. Now here select this plane and sketch. Now draw the line here. Select. Now go to offset here. Now give the value 5. Now go to select bidirectional. Now here select base geometry. Okay. Now select this circle, convert entities. Now go to trim tools. Now go to again Ctrl Z. Now go to trim haircut. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude cut. Now here extrude cut up to next or up to surface. Now select the surface. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to here, select from plane and sketch. Now draw the line here. Here select and here and here and here select. Now here give the value this line dimension 1.5 and this line dimension 0.5. Okay. Now go to here move and here move. Now I am going to select this line horizontal. Now go to draw the hair center line. Okay. Now go to feature and revolve card. Okay. Now go to here chamfer. Chamfer. Now here select chamfer. Now give the value 1 or 0.5. 0.5. Now select here. Now select here. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now you can here edit. Now cut edit. Edit. Now distance here 6. Okay. Now here select 6. Okay. Now select here this face, select sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the value here 7. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now extrude card below blind. Now here 10. Okay. Now go to here. Now here select thread. Okay. Now select this sketch. Now here select extrude. Now here give the size. Give the size. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plain white. Now here select materials, metal. Now here select. Now select here lead, cast lead. Okay. Now go to shaded. Now go to isometric view. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.